For a very long time, I genuinely believed health was not for me. And maybe many of you watching this right now feel the same. You tell yourself, I don't have time. I don't have support. I don't have money. I can never stay consistent. Health is not my thing. How many of you are silently telling yourself these stories every single day? Because I did that too. I thought some people are naturally disciplined. Some people can wake up early. They can exercise, eat healthy, but not me. I had severe back pain and knee pain. Even climbing one floor felt difficult for me. Sometimes I would carry everything I needed upstairs at once because I did not want to climb back down again. Even bending, walking, traveling started feeling difficult. But honestly, the hardest part was not the weight, it was slowly losing myself. I was constantly tired, anxious, emotionally drained. I was not sleeping properly, and slowly I started becoming unhappy. I became frustrated, emotionally reactive. I became someone I was not. My relationship with my husband and father started declining. And slowly that reflected in how I showed up for my kid too. I started blaming everyone. Nobody understands me. Nobody supports me. But today, when I look back, I realize I was not actually angry at others. I was unhappy with only myself. Tell me honestly, how many of you feel this way sometimes? You feel tired, stressed, emotionally drained, and you feel like you are carrying everything alone. But you continue normalizing it, thinking this is life. That was my me too. Slowly, I was falling into depression. I did not like the version I was becoming. One day I decided I cannot continue like this anymore, not just physically, emotionally too. And that is when I attended my coach's masterclass and immediately joined her program. Honestly, even then, I did not fully believe I could do it because I had all the same stories most people have today. I don't have time. I have family responsibilities. I cannot prioritize myself. I cannot stay consistent. I don't have enough support. I have huge responsibilities. But my coach and that community gave me one belief. If other women can do it, why not me? And what happened in the next few months completely changed my life. Not just my body. In my first month, I lost 3 kgs. For many people, that may sound small, but for me, it felt impossible because even as a child, I was always overweight. I genuinely believed I can never lose weight easily. But that small progress gave me hope. For the first time, I started believing maybe I can do this. And life was not becoming easier around me. There were hospitalizations, emotional stress, family responsibilities, travels, weddings. My husband moved to Canada. Everything was happening at the same time. And that is exactly what I want to tell you today. Transformation does not happen only when life becomes perfect because life will always keep happening. There will always be responsibilities, stress, family, kids, work, problems. But slowly, I started understanding something. Health is not another task in life, health is the foundation of life. And slowly, not only my body changed, but my entire life started changing. Yes, I lost 25 kgs in 6 months, but honestly, that was not the biggest transformation. The biggest transformation was I became happy again. My energy came back. My confidence came back. My peace came back. My relationships improved. I started setting boundaries. I understand my emotions and I started believing in myself. I got myself back again. For the first time in years, I felt alive. And that is what most people don't understand. Health is not just about weight loss. Health changes your happiness, your confidence, your relationship, your peace, your purpose, your entire life. Tell me honestly, how many of you started your health journey only for weight loss, but deep inside you just wanted to feel happy again? And while I was transforming, I started helping my friends and family too. And slowly, I started seeing them transform. People becoming happier, healthier, and becoming confident again, getting themselves back, and that changed me deeply. I realized this is what I want to do for rest of my life. That is when I quit my 18-year IT career and become a health coach. And today, when I look at the transformations happening around me, I realize something very deeply. Health is for everyone, not only for people with perfect lives. Like Shruti, a night shift nurse from Canada. Imagine how difficult night shift life can be. But she still transformed. She lost 12 kgs, improved her hormones, improved her energy, and today her entire family is living healthier. Or Shamala, who transformed during menopause. Most women think now it is too late. Hormones are the problem. I can never change now. But she improved her cholesterol, reduced stress and anxiety, improved sleep, and became medicine free. And then there's Nitya, a busy IT professional. Her biggest transformation was not just weight loss, it was shifting her identity from I am inconsistent to I can stay consistent. And honestly, that identity shift changes everything. And some transformations are even deeper, like Babu, who moved from surviving emotionally to rebuilding his life with confidence and purpose. That is why I always say health is not just physical, it is emotional, it is mental, and it is life changing. So, if you are watching this today and feeling health is not for me or trying to postpone health later, please listen carefully. I was once exactly where you are. You do not need a perfect life to start. You do not need perfect motivation, perfect support, perfect routine, perfect money and time situation. You just need to take that first step. Find a method that resonates with you. Find a coach, find a community, start small. But please don't give up on your health because health is not only about looking good. Health changes your happiness, confidence, peace, relationship, purpose, and your entire life. If this video inspired you in any way, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. I share simple, practical, sustainable ways to transform your health physically, mentally, and emotionally. And if the story connected with you, please comment below starting today. I would genuinely love to hear from you.